You've probably looked up, down, over, and under just to look for more ways to make money online, but you just can't seem to find the perfect one for you. Now, what if I told you that today that's all going to change? Today, you're gonna stop looking because this video is the video that you've just been looking for. The strategy to make money that is perfect for you and everyone around you. A legit and trusted way that's surely gonna make you and pay you cold hard cash. We're gonna be teaching you how copy pasting images is gonna help you make a lot of money. Over $3,000 to be exact. You're probably thinking that if our method for today pays out as much as $3,000, then the workload must be just as much, right? Well, think again because that isn't the case at all. In fact, you're barely going to be putting in any work. Plus, you can do this anywhere, anytime, and on any gadget that you have on hand. Too good to be true? I know, right? But believe it because this is exactly what we're going to be teaching you today. You're going to be earning on complete autopilot, so all you have to do is this one thing that we're going to be talking about later on, and after you do this one thing, you can stop, leave it be, and you're going to be earning and earning nonstop even if you only did this one thing to get it started. Our method for today is available to everyone from all countries, so don't even worry about it. And it's absolutely and completely 100% free to use, so there's nothing stopping you from joining in. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now go ahead and open up google.com and then look up cute animals and hit enter on that. And obviously, this is what you should be seeing as soon as you do that. Cute animals. And then click on images over here, and there you have all of the photos of cute animals. All of these images that you're seeing and a lot more different images on the internet is the key to our Making Money Online journey today that we will be incorporating with another website that is special and very new to all of us, that's going to really generate all of our future income. Now open up teespring.com, and this website is a free website that lets you make use of AI to create different types of digital products that you will then be able to sell as yours on this platform as well, or on the internet in general. All of this will not require anything from you. You won't need to be in contact with anyone or anything, literally nothing. So basically, when you create a design, which we are going to be discussing later, all you have to do is submit those designs to Teespring, and Teespring is going to make whatever it is you want them to make, like a t-shirt or a sweater or a mug or a phone case, literally whatever it is, and then they're also going to sell it for you, ship it for you, and promote it for you. Literally everything. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now it's time we start creating, and to do so, you just want to click on Start Creating right here, and that should take you to here. So you must sign up, and to do so, you're going to fill up all of the details being asked of you. So your name or your brand name, your email, your password twice, then confirm you're not a robot. And once that's all completed and filled up, you can hit on sign up. Then once you click on sign up, this is gonna pop up next. So name your store, and then they're gonna ask you to choose among the three if you want to create products, integrate with social, or design your store. Obviously, if you choose one of the options, you're still going to be able to explore the rest of the options later on. But for now, we must choose one and go from there. And what we are going to choose is to create products. And then, ta-da, you should end up here. So as you can see, there are a ton of products that you can design. There are t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, crew necks, mugs, phone cases, literally anything and everything you can think of, Teespring can put your designs on them. And so obviously we're at step 1 right now, as you can see over here, which is to choose your product. So let's choose whatever, and let's say we're gonna choose this unisex zip up. And once you select or choose a product, we will be brought straight to step 2, which is to design your product. And this is what that part should look like. So now we have to add an image, right, to put on the product that we've chosen. Now go back to Google, and you can either have that cute animal search already up and done, or look up cute animal emojis, and then you're gonna see a lot of these images, and you're gonna want to select on any of these cute animal emojis and select on the image that you had just downloaded, and there you have your cute animal emoji on the sweater. It's as easy as that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. You can change its position, its size, make it the way you want it. Then you can go ahead and choose what color you want your product to be. So really any color that you'd like, you can choose. Then you're gonna set your price. They give you a preferred price, but you can always change it if you wanna go higher, if you wanna go lower. But we are gonna be sticking with this price because it's reasonable and it's fair. You're also gonna see like how much you can make from the original price. And the reason why you only get a portion from the whole price is because Teespring is doing all of the work for you. You know, manufacturing it, shipping it out, promoting it, and everything. So basically, you're getting paid enough to design a product, and don't worry because you are gonna get a ton of sales, and that portion accumulated is gonna make you thousands of dollars. Just you wait. Once you're good with everything, you can click on continue, and just like that, your product will be online and ready to be bought on Teespring. If you want to spread your t-shirt or your product and get the word out, we suggest going to facebook.com, logging into your account, looking up cute animals or cute animal lovers, since that is what our product has on it, and then filter it out to groups so that you can see all of the groups of cute animal lovers. And then you're going to want to join on all or as many groups possible. And once you're able to join and you can get into those groups, I want you to promote your product by posting like a post saying, for all my animal lovers out there, and then you paste your link on that post of the product. Obviously you're gonna get the link of the product, and then you're gonna post that post to the groups, or you can even send the link or that post to your family and friends so that they can show their support. Then before you know it, you're gonna be making money like never in your life, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.